Accurate product data exchanged using GS1 standards leads to improved patient care and more efficient procurement, warehousing, and payment activities. Manufacturer staff source and validate standardized product data. This is used internally and communicated electronically to customers such as distributors who import it into their systems and rely on it for procurement and other processes. For example, when a shipment is received, the distributor uses the data to confirm it is correct. When preparing a delivery, they rely on the data to optimize the shipment configuration. The distributor may add information to the data and will communicate the data electronically to their retail pharmacy and hospital customers. Pharmacists can refer to the data for ordering, to confirm correct dispensing, at the point of sale, or to adjust inventory. Hospitals rely on the product data from procurement to point of care. Standardized product data is as important as the product itself. It's a foundation of patient safety.